My name is Louis Barthélemy. I am a French artist. I'm based between Paris, Marrakech and Cairo. And in my practice, I dialogue with ancestral crafts. So here at the Islamic Biennale Design Store in Jeddah, I'm showcasing a triptych of tapestries, 3 tapestries entirely hand-embroidered with an atelier in المهدية, which is a small coastal town in Tunisia. And together with the craft masters of that atelier, we've produced this triptych of tapestries. Those pieces are inspired by the architecture of the Hajj Terminal, but as well as the Bedouin tents and Bedouin lifestyle and this sense of movement. Perhaps as well in the color palette and the material used in those tapestries. There's a celebration of local identities from the region, which is translated in the tapestries.